Hello student, I am Deepak Verma from Golden Public School. Now let's start the third part of Glimpses of India. Two parts we have completed. Now this is the third part, Tea from Assam. Let us start. Rajveer and Pranjal on the way to home. Who is Rajiv and Pranjal? Let's see. Rajveer and Pranjal were traveling to Assam. A tea vendor called Chai Garam Chai. Means two boys are there, okay, they are friends and they are just going, they are traveling to Assam. And a tea vendor called Chai Garam Chai. They took tea and sipped it. Rajveer told Pranjal that over 80 crores cups of tea are drunk every day throughout the world. Oh, this is the nice. You can just see that 80 crore cups of tea are drunk every day in this world. Tea garden scene means they both just see the tea gardens. Rajveer looked at the beautiful scenery outside. Pranjal kept reading his detective book. Who's reading his detective book? Pranjal. And Rajveer, he was just looking at the beautiful scenery outside. There was greenery, best greenery was there. Soon the soft green paddy fields gave way to tea bushes. Means they were just going to the see tea bushes. Tea bushes spread as far as the eye could see. Means one can see as far as he or she will see only the tea bushes. Tea gardens were there. There were shade trees also over the areas. In the distance there was an ugly building. It was a tea garden. So student, you can imagine. Now you are imagining that you are standing there where the tea gardens are there. Lot of tea gardens and you are just looking at them. Amazing, please. About legends behind tea. Yes, the writer has told about the legends also. What is the story? What is the tale behind this? Let us see. They were in Assam, the tea country. Assam has the largest concentration of tea plantation in the world. We know that when we say anything that from where are you coming, that I am coming from Assam, means we imagine that they are coming from the tea gardens. Rajveer told Pranjal that no one really knew who discovered tea. There are many legends about it. Means there is no information, confirmed information, and any record of this that from where we got the tea. But some legends are there. Let's see them. Chinese legend. A Chinese emperor always boiled water before drinking it. This is Chinese legend. Means a Chinese emperor always boiled water before drinking it. One day, a few leaves of branches burning under the pot fell into the water. Means the water which was being boiled. For the Chinese emperor, means some leaves just fell into that. It gave a delicious flavor. Means the flavor was very delicious. What tasty. These were tea leaves. This was the Chinese legend. Let's see the Indian legend also. Bodhidharma, a Buddhist monk. We know that Gautam Buddha maybe cut off his eyelids because he felt sleepy during meditation. When he was in the meditation, he was feeling sleepy. Means he wanted to get rid from the sleep. That is why, what did he do? You know, what did he do? He cut off his eyelid. 10 tea plants grew out of his eyelids. The eyelids where they were placed means 10 tea plants grew out of his eyelid. These leaves, when put in hot water and drunk, banished sleep. Means they just Means when you nowadays when you just take tea, it means, oh, you are feeling sleepy, take tea. Means your just laziness will go and your sleep will be vanished. This was the Indian legend about tea. Tea and China. Let's see. Rajvi told Pranjal that tea was first drunk in China. Who told? Rajvi told Pranjal that tea was first drunk in China. It was as far back as 2700 BC before Christ. You can understand. Words like chai and chini are Chinese. We say, oh, take chini and take sugar, chai. Okay, I will have tea. Like that we speak. Chai means these words come from Chinese. Tea came to Europe in 16th century, and it was then drunk more as medicine. Still, it is used as medicine. Nowadays also we drink tea to just clear our throat so that any virus and other things cannot hurt us. Reaching the destination, both of them dropped at Marine Junction. They were driven to the Kaveri tea estate also. On both sides of the road there were acres and acres of tea bushes. Means all where, as far as you can see, as long as you can see, that you will see only tea bushes. Women with bamboo baskets were plucking the new leaves from them. Rajvi's knowledge about tea plantation. Now we will see the knowledge of Rajvi. Pranjal's father received them there. They had come there in sprouting seasons. Means when germinated or just the seeds come out from the earth. It lasts from May to July. Means he is getting the information about it. It gives out the best tea. This time we get the best tea from Assam. Rajvi told this to Pranjal's father. He told Rajvi that he knew many things about tea plantations because he was there. Rajvi told him that he would learn more about them there. Means he wanted to learn. My dear student, everyone should be curious to know, should be eager to know about the facts. Okay, what's being happened? How does this nature work? We must know about it, and we must be aware to this also. So my dear student, Glimpses of India, the chapter is finished here. The 3 parts I made you understand. I hope you will just watch and read also the chapter. You will watch this video many times. You should watch, okay, video of the first one, second one, and the third one. Baker from Goa and Badder, known as Badder, and you can understand that tea from Assam and Kurg also. These 3 stories you must learn if you want to know about our India. Hence, this is the true glimpse of India. So you must learn them. Okay, dear students, bye. Bye.